Hey everyone, Philip from Scan Unlimited, and I have really exciting news today to share with you, and it's about a new feature that will help prevent brands from issuing IP complaints against your seller account. So this new feature is actually pretty special because it's the first time Scan Unlimited, the team, has stepped outside of the web app world, and we actually developed two features. So really, it's the same feature but in two different places. So this new feature is within Scan Unlimited, but also we developed a Chrome extension that you can install on Chrome so that when you look at Amazon product detail pages, it will tell you if the brand for that ASIN is known for filing IP complaints. So before we jump into this, I'd really appreciate it if you gave this video a like. That really helps out the channel and helps us reach new sellers. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Scan Unlimited so that we can take a look at the feature within Scan Unlimited itself. So when you open up a scan, you'll notice what's different is that in the brand column, if you have brand actually visible, so make sure if you have any filters applied to remove those filters. You'll notice there's going to be a question mark icon to the right of a brand that at the moment we don't have in our database as a brand that issues IP complaints. So so for the vast majority of brands, you'll notice that that will be the case. This item right here with the brand Minecraft is an example of a brand that we have identified as a brand that issues IP complaints against sellers. So you can see here, it's a little warning sign and it says brand is known to file IP complaints. So this is extremely useful. So very easily you can identify before sourcing an item, maybe the item like this one right here is super profitable and it has a really good rank. Well, that can kind of lead you into a trap, because if this brand issues an IP complaint, it's not going to really matter that the product has a really good rank in ROI, because you're going to be taken down anyway. Let's say, for example, you see a brand that you've had an issue with in the past. So what you can do is you can report a brand. So let's take this one, Kelly Baby. So all you have to do is actually click the question mark where it says report brand, and that'll open up a tab to our form where you can fill in your email address and ASIN. It will actually pre-populate this for you, and then all you have to do is upload a file that just shows proof that the IP complaint was issued against your account. And all of the data for the brands, the IP complaints, that's all crowdsourced from users. So the more users that jump in and report brands, the better the results will be for everyone. And the really great news is that this feature is actually included in in all of the plans. So even if you're a free member on Scan Unlimited, you will still have this feature. And what we're going to jump into now is the Chrome extension, which is also free. So, great opportunities out there. I know that there's another extension out there that charges, I think, $100 for the extension, but this extension that I'm showing you is absolutely free. So if you wouldn't mind definitely sharing this feature with other people, that would greatly help us out so that we can kind of spread the word. So there's two ways to go get the Chrome extension. I added a really easy way within the side nav. You're going to see on the left hand side nav that there's a get extension button. So if you click that, it'll bring you directly to the Chrome Web Store. If you don't already have Scan Unlimited, first off, you should get Scan Unlimited. But if let's say you don't, then there is a way to go into the Chrome Web Store directly. So you just search Chrome Web Store, and then open the Chrome Web Store, and then just search Scan Unlimited. And there it is. I'm going to be updating this picture, but here it is. And as you can see from the screenshots, it puts a little, the same icon, it's just going to put to the right of the brand on a detail page. So to add it to Chrome, all you have to do is press the Add to Chrome button and then say Add Extension, and you're good to go. So let's see it in action. So let's open up the app and pull up a detail page. Let's take this one right here, the flatware set. So it'll load the page, but now you'll see that the warning is actually there for you to see on the detail page directly. And it's not necessarily just from Scan Unlimited. So if you do a regular search, so for example, I know that GNC, the supplements, I know that they issue IP complaints. So just as if you're browsing Amazon, it'll show up as you're browsing from detail page to detail page. So yeah, super helpful feature. Also, like the app, you can also report brands from the Chrome extension. So all you do is click the Scan Unlimited logo icon in the top right of your Chrome browser, and then there's a button to report brand, and it'll take you to the same exact form that you'll just fill in just like before. So yeah, I hope you guys find the new feature to be useful, and hopefully it can help prevent you from getting any IP complaints when sourcing products. If you don't mind, please like the video, as that really helps us out. And as I mentioned earlier, this is our first attempt at a Chrome extension, and we plan to improve it over time. So if you could share it with other sellers, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next feature update video.